Hey guys, welcome back to Efata's YouTube channel. Today we're going to discuss about demonstrative pronouns. What is it? Well, I'm sure you're quite familiar with this one. Just know the term, right? Okay. Demonstrative pronouns are the ones like this and that. Now you got some bigger knowledge, didn't you? Well, although it's quite familiar, some people mistaken the use of this and that still. But before I explain that, let's get to know what's the function of demonstrative pronouns first. Yeah, we use this to point out people or things that are close and far from us. Just imagine that there is a bench right next to you, or a dog walking in front of you. And if you want to point out the bench or the dog, since they are nearby you, what can you use then? Yes, it's this. So you can say something like this. Now, imagine if they are far from you. What should you use? Excellent! It's that. Then you may say something like this. Okay, now I think you know that in English they have singular and plural, right? The same thing happens to demonstrative pronouns. It has singular type like the ones we have discussed some minutes ago, and plural. This is the thing that we are going to discuss deeper. To make it simple, just imagine that the word this and that have their own best friends. Now let me tell you, this is the best friend of these, and that has a best friend named those. Get it? If you're still confused, let me clear confusion. Let's say I have two types of sentences. The first one and the second one. Got it clear now? We use these and these for singular now, so basically they're bases. What about that then? Do you have some ideas? You can simply change the word that to those. Wanna try to make your own sentence? Here is your illustration. Well, now I assume that you've understood it. A B at least. By the way, do you know what time is it now? Yes, it's question time. Please answer the following questions and try your best. Good luck! It's time to say goodbye, by the way. No worries though. I'll be here to discuss another thing on the next video. Wanna know what topic will I discuss next? Then please consider to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell below so you won't miss any updates from us. Till next time!